Hello, this is Duke Byte. In this tutorial, we will learn about namespaces. Namespaces are used to organize a big project into groups and to prevent name collisions that can occur, mainly when your codebase includes multiple libraries. Namespaces are not required, but they have an essential role in writing cleaner code. Namespace resolves the problem of naming conflict. Classes put into different namespaces can have the same name. We can define a namespace in C# using the namespace keyword. A namespace can be imported into a program by using the using keyword. A namespace can contain another namespace. The nested namespace and its members can be accessed using the dot operator. This example illustrates how nested namespace can be implemented. The members of a namespace can be accessed using the dot operator. Let's move on to Unity and Visual Studio. Let's create a C# file and call it Namespaces. Let's attach the file to an object in the scene. Let's assume that we already have a controller class in the project. To speed up work on the project, we import resources from external sources. And it turns out that there is also a controller class in these resources. Thanks to namespaces, we can quickly resolve this problem. All we need is for the code to be located in the namespace we created. We can now run the program without any errors. I hope that the movie was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, I invite you to the comments section below the video. Don't forget to like this movie and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.